Hello dear learners, welcome to Fun Scholar e-learning series. I am Ranojoy and today we'll be learning about what is a PIR sensor and how to interface a PIR sensor with Arduino and how to build a circuit for motion detecting alarm system and how to write code for motion detecting alarm system. So as far as the PIR sensor is concerned, so PIR stands for the passive infrared sensor, which is a low cost sensor. So actually animal body emits heat energy in the form of infrared radiations. Alright, so there is a built-in pyroelectric sensor which is involved in the PIR sensor, which actually receives the IR waveforms, and there is a Fresnel lens which actually focuses the infrared signals into the pyroelectric sensor, and after getting activated it generates a signal. Alright, so there are basically 3 pins which a PIR sensor has. So there is a ground pin, and there is an output pin, and finally there is a VCC pin. So this ground pin will be connected to the ground pin of Arduino, and the output pin will be connected with the analog A0 pin which is there in the Arduino, and finally the VCC pin. So this VCC pin will be connected with the 5V power pin with the Arduino. So this is how we actually interface a PIR sensor with Arduino. So apart from these pins, there are 2 preset knobs are there which actually controls the output timing and the sensitivity, and there are 2 reset buttons are also there. So the auto reset buttons, which is actually by default it's being selected. Alright, and apart from that there are 3 pins which we have already discussed. So now let's start with the connection part. So initially we'll make a common connection from Arduino's 5V and ground to the breadboard's 2 pins, and then we'll start interfacing the PIR sensor. So PIR has 3 pins as already I have told you. So the orange color wire will be connected to the A0 analog output of the Arduino, and the red wire will be connected with the common 5V supply, and the black wire will be connected to the ground pin. And then we'll take the buzzer, and the positive pin of the buzzer will be connected to the 12th pin of the digital pin of Arduino, and the negative one will be connected to the ground pin. Alright, and finally we'll take a LED. So already we could have done in a breadboard with the connection separately, but as the 13th pin has a built-in register, so we'll connect the positive pin with the 13th pin and the negative pin with the ground. So this is how the connection looks like, and now we'll start the coding part. So this is how the code looks like, and after writing the code we'll select the tools. So from the tools we'll select the code as well, and then we'll select the board as Arduino Uno and programmer as Arduino ISP, and after that we'll simply compile the code or upload it. So as you can see here, the compiling process is going on. So once the code is being uploaded, you can see the result. So this is how our output looks like. So whenever I am taking my hand over there, so as you can see the buzzer starts buzzing and the LED also starts blinking. So in the next video we'll cover the interfacing of ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. So till then, keep learning and keep having fun, and don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell icon so that you don't miss anything.